Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the video file or platform entry. Open it now. Once you have the file, right-click or use the Platform Info panel to surface basic metadata. Make sure to launch a metadata tool like EXIF tool or Media Info for deeper fields. You do this because built-in views often hide codec, bitrate, and timestamp details. Using both the platform panel and a dedicated tool gives a complete picture quickly and reliably. Next, run the metadata extractor and export results to a readable format. Do that immediately. Once done, identify codec, resolution, frame rate, bitrate, and container. These explain playback behavior and editing limits. Make sure to check duration and creation timestamps to verify origin and sequence. If GPS or device serial is present, use it to confirm location and source. Interpreting these fields prevents mislabeling and guides any conversion or compliance. Finally, save a concise metadata report and store it with the project so you or others can find it later. If fields are missing or incompatible, re-encode using a trusted preset or edit metadata tags directly to preserve provenance. Make sure to test playback and thumbnails after changes. If something goes wrong, specifically playback failure, check codec compatibility first and install the correct codec or rewrap the container. This resolves most issues without degrading quality.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.